Hey MBU customers, welcome to another episode of What's Going On in the Neighborhood. Today we're in historic Gruene, where our Green Road Sewer Main Rehabilitation and Relocation project is currently underway. Construction began in January 2026 and is expected to continue through May 2026, weather permitting. This project is a part of MBU's wastewater master plan and focuses on improving capacity, reliability, and odor control in the Gruene area. Crews are upgrading aging sewer infrastructure, improving river crossings, and installing a new odor control unit to address long-standing concerns. This project takes place in two phases. Phase 1, the downtown Gruene phase, started January 2026 and will run through March 2026. To view traffic maps and learn how construction may impact traffic in the Gruene area, visit our capital improvement page at mbutexas.com/capital-improvement. Coming up, Phase 2, the river phase, is expected to begin in March and continue through May 2026. Details related to traffic and access during this phase will be shared closer to the start date, with a focus on minimizing impacts and keeping the community informed. We understand that construction in a place as loved as Gruene can be challenging. This area is deeply valued by residents, visitors, and business owners, and we hear those concerns. Businesses remain open as usual, and access to Gruene is being maintained throughout construction. This work is essential to keep infrastructure reliable and to keep Gruene flowing the way it should, now and into the future. And that's it for this episode of What's Going On in the Neighborhood. For more information about capital improvement projects and how we keep New Braunfels running, visit us at mbutexas.com/capital-improvements.